Hello and welcome to the Indicator Warehouse. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the CL 1014 contract for August 19th of 2014. And I think the title of this video should be, "This is what a trending day looks like." So let's go ahead and let's get started here. And we're looking at today's info, which is right here to the far right of the chart. One of the cool things about DTS is it makes it very, very clear to see what direction, or I guess I should say what side of the market we need to be on, just simply by looking at our Eagle chart. And regardless of whether I'm taking a trade on the Eagle or not, I am constantly referring to this chart to let me know what side of the market that I want to be on. So if we look here first thing at about 9:10 Eastern Standard Time, it's about 10 minutes after the East Coast open for the CL, we can see that we've got a nice soft edge here on the bottom, as well as we do get our signals in place right here. Now, the one thing that keeps me out of this trade is I do have a green bar. However, all the other elements of the short are in place. Regardless, doesn't really matter, because later on that morning I get an opportunity here right around noon Eastern Standard Time to go ahead and enter here as well. So once again, soft edge on the bottom, nice red bars, solid red filter all the way throughout the rest of the day after 10 after 9 Eastern Standard Time. Definitely a good view of what a trending day looks like. Now, as I said, I passed on that earlier trade right after the open due to the fact that we had a green bar. And we actually get a valid entry right here on our Falcon about 3 minutes earlier than what it told us on our Eagle. But like I showed you, either way, and like I said before, if I'm going to make a trade on my Falcon or on my Hawk, I'm going to be sure to take a look at my Eagle first. And this obviously was a no-brainer today as far as which direction the trend was in. I've got an entry here, here, here. It gives me one last gasp right here, and depending on how many ticks you're looking for, I would have been taken out here on my ATR, but that's only after these nice winners I got right here. And once again, the trend resumes, which we can see right down here. All right, well, those are our trades for the Falcon today. So let's go ahead and then let's take a look here at our Hawk and see what the Hawk gave us today. Now, again, please keep in mind that I am only looking to take the trades after the first cross, and then I take the second bite of the apple. The more advanced trades that you can take on the Hawk are actually taught in Eric Senft's Futures Trading Room. All right, so I'm a little early right there, but we are short right after my first cross right here. I do get my first series of entries here, here, as well as right here. And I'll tell you, that's going to be it for my entries. That's going to be it. Now, you're going to notice there's other entries that present themselves, like this particular entry down here. You know, what I like to do is I actually like to wait before I consider another entry on the Hawk. I'm going to wait for price to collide with my macro trend line, which is this guy right here. So as you can see, we do get some consolidation, and that's one thing we do need to watch for when we're trading the CL. However, we get yet another entry here, and it gives us another opportunity right up here. And what I like to call the second bite takes place right here. Now, again, after that, I'm going to stop. It looks like I missed out on 10 ticks here, and it looks like almost, no, it looks like I would have gotten 10 ticks on this last one here, but I did this trade only after price collided with the macro trend line. And as you can see here, if you look really close, I call this the micro-macro smash right here, and I treat this as a cross. And this is typically the MA behavior that you're going to get when price does travel back up to the macro line. Well, all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, please email me at ray@indicatorwarehouse.com. Thanks, and have a great day.